Hi and welcome back to this training lab. In this lab we're going to create an Azure Log Analytical Workspace, and Sentinel needs this in order to run, so we need to go ahead and deploy this out before we can actually get Sentinel up and running. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log on to your Azure portal, and then I'm going to go to the search at the top here. I'm going to type in log, and then from the drop down I'm going to select Log Analytical Workspaces. I'm going to go ahead and click that create button. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure you select your correct subscription. I'm going to click in the resource groups, and then from the drop down I'm going to select my Sentinel Training Lab resource group. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. So I'm just going to call my log workspace Sentinel Training Lab WS. I'm going to go ahead and click next on tags. We're not going to tag anything, we're just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click next to review and create. This is going to go away. It's going to do a validation, sort of like check all the check boxes that we've checked everything correctly. Once our validation has passed, you'll see we have this big green bar at the top with this green check mark. So once you see that, go ahead and click create, and that will go ahead and deploy your Log Analytical Workspace. Now, just depending on your Azure connection, this can take anywhere from a minute or two to complete, so just wait for the completion to run. If you look at this little bell notification at the top here, this bell notification will tell you what was successful and what wasn't. So as you can see, our Log Analytical Workspace has been created. So I'm going to go ahead and click go to resource, and you can see here we have added our Log Analytical Workspace. So in our next lab we will go ahead and set up Sentinel and then add this to Sentinel. So I'd like to thank you for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training lab.